So SVG, all of us design know what is SVG and how to use it and all, and there are tons of generators, tools, skewers, whatever, like tons of things about SVG out there in the internet. Now today I have a aggregation of all of them in one site. Not all of them maybe, but kind of different kind of things. So let's roll out the intro. So I have previously featured some of the tools of this site before, on a separate manner. Now I thought today ki, why don't I just like share every tool, like share the main host site, okay? Because it has tons of things, okay, tons of type of SVG generators. There are grain tools, noise tool, neon tool, isometric designs, wobbles, blurs, like and different kind of things, okay, like really different kinds of things that you will not believe, like this has so many things, like it's really great that it has this much of thing, okay. So let's just look at it and this is really great, like the site itself is really great looking. So let's just have a overview of the site today, okay. So let me just share the screen now. Now today we are at fuel or fuel. I don't know. I don't know why that means. Like it is if a fuel or if a fuel, whatever you wanna call it. Okay, how however you wanna pronounce it. So as you can see, if a fuel is a collection of free SVG generators for gradients, patterns, backgrounds, decorative graphics, and lots of other things. Now let's straight go to their tools, okay, rather than seeing all of those. So here is motifs. Actually those are 3D isometric, like not 3D, actually isometric shapes of like isometric motifs, patterns basically. Then there is colors, noise generator, flux. Flux is a fluid SVG gradient, so it would be great. Like let me show it to you. See, it's really great. Now I can choose some from them, or I can just randomize everything over here. I can choose radial gradient as well, though whatever, let's just see others as well. So noise and grain. So you have to understand that noise and grains are totally different over here, and obviously this those two are in general different. Grain has uh, visible, like tons of visible dots over here, but noise are really subtle. Okay, then we have neon glowing shapes, not icons, blurs. And blurs are really great, to be honest, and I have seen that it's really great. See how soothing that blur is, and you can get it in 4 is to 5 ratio, 16 into 9 ratio, and 1 is to 1 ratio as well. And those are the primary three colors, and you can like click on it to randomize it right now. Okay, it is not randomizable, but whatever. As you can see it here, and you can see it in both of the backgrounds. You can click on save to save it, or just copy it from here. What I do actually, I just copy it from here and paste it in my Figma while working with it, okay. Then we have this like what pattern, like SBG ripples, okay, ripples and chaos. Like chaos is really good, I think so, because it has this totally random thing, okay. So I want to copy it and save one of the instances into my Figma as well. But one problem that I've seen with those designs is like you use it with colors over here, right? But this color never reflects to your Figma design. I don't know why. I really have no idea why. Maybe if I save it, it will show it up in my like Figma. I don't know. Let's try it. I don't know why it happens. I have tried it multiple times, but all of the SVGs that I import in Figma are totally black. Okay, yeah, still it's black. I don't know why. There is the linear gradient. but linear gradients of black and black, that doesn't make sense at all. I don't know why it doesn't work, but somehow. But that's the thing, you can always color it yourself, so it doesn't even matter. And in Figma, coloring is way more easier than you think, so I don't really like care about that a lot. And there are tons of things, as you can see: oscillate, floor, pixelate, squiggly, organized, like dotted patterns, grids, and there are tons of others. Like this one is some of the thing that I really like, because it has like really great, see how soothing it is, like really. You can control the highlight as well. And then there is obviously tons of things out there. And how the website is made is also a great thing, right? Like really, they have like he not they he only he has put like attention to detail over here. Then there is Doodles. Actually, this Doodles is a whole pack. This Doodles is not something else. This Doodle is a whole pack that you can download. And this is the guy. Okay, so he create everything, and I don't know how, but he has created so many things single handedly. That is really awesome. And the name of him is Seb. So really a great creator, and today he launched another product that is actually Draw. Okay, so if we go through here, I think we can find it. Yeah, Draw. So this is SVG drawing tool, freehand drawing tool that you can use over here. I don't know. Yeah, see, great. Like, this is a web app genius, to be honest. I would say he is a real web app genius, because so many apps regarding SVG he has created, and those are really great. Like all of them are really, really great. So yeah, a big kudos to him. Why not, right? Great, great, to be honest. So yeah, that's it about this website. That's it about this whole platform. I know you're gonna use it, because obviously you're gonna love it for sure. Now I don't know about the gradients, because the gradient doesn't work for me. I don't know about the others as well. So yeah, still it's not working for me. I don't know why, but it should. Whatever. So I can always pick colors from here as well. If I just click on this and pick some colors from here, not maybe not from here. I can pick it from here as well, right? No, it's not picking the color. I don't know how will it be. Actually, why I'm picking the color from here? I have the HSL here. But whatever. So that's it from my side, because yeah, always you can like make something around to work with it. So that's it for this video. That's it for this website. I really would like to use it. Like I'll use it sometimes. Like some of the features I like about it, I use them, not all of them. So that's my point over here. Whatever. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great like tools like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.